Hey everyone, this is Organization with Susie, and it has been a very long time since I posted a video, but I felt led to come out and share some of the things that I've learned since 2020 and some of the things that I've gathered and the knowledge that I've acquired. I wanted to share with you today and in the future about some of the printables that I came up with because life has happened within the last year, and I would say from like January 2020 up until now, it is December of 2021. And from those experiences, I came up with this printable, which is actually on my Etsy shop, and I will link that down below. And this is the 2022 Get My Life Organized Plan Your Day series. There's one of 5. And right now I'm coming up with 3 is about to come out of the series. And I wanted to go over this today. So with that said, let us get started. So on our channel, what we'll be talking about is organization, motivation, and I have added in budgeting that I have done or have learned about over the past year and a half. And it's very interesting when you're getting your life together, you really want to get your finances together. You want to get your health together. You want to get your home together, your office, your job, work, whatever it is that you want to work on, you definitely, and I'm sorry for the camera shake, you want to work on those things. So with that said, I'm going to be going over page 1. And if you have any questions, link it down below and I will be sure to answer them. So before you can change your life, you must first mentally prepare yourself for change. Organizing your life is more than just clean closets, perfectly folded clothes, and beautifully constructed pantries. It's about identifying your priorities, managing your time, and recognizing what is beneficial to your life. So this guide will help you to create a better version of yourself. Okay. So here we want to say, okay, begin with a list of 10 priorities that's currently pressing. And that can be anything like your health, your finances. So I'm going to write that down. So for me, it's my health. I always want to get that together. And also my finances. I want to ensure that I declutter my clothes, okay? And you may write something different, but just right here, write down what is your highest priority. Over here, once you identify 10 things, or it doesn't have to be all 10, pick at least 5. So for me, again, it will be health, finances, and I need to declutter at all times. I definitely need to do that. So select your top 3 from those 5. And for me, I really have 3 right now. So again, health. And I know this seems cumbersome, but I do have a point. Trust me. All right. And declutter. Okay. So what is one of my highest priorities? And for me, that's definitely my health. After that, it's actually my finances. And I'll be talking about that in another video and going over like how do I get my finances together? How do I budget? And how do I utilize a semi-cash system for budgeting? So if you're interested in that, definitely comment down below. So what needs to be done or what needs to be completed before for your number one priority? And for me is getting a schedule, knowing that every day I need to make time to either do some sort of a workout. So for me, it's working out. It's drinking water because I do not drink a lot of water. And I also need to look at my plate where I need to eat more, I guess, vegetables and fruits. and what tools are needed. So right now I need a schedule. I need a budget of how much I'm going to spend every week. And I need, basically I need somewhere, I guess, what kind of exercises I'm going to be doing. So, and when do I plan to begin? For me, I would put today. And today is 12/12. Okay. And when do I plan on finishing? So I want to do this for at least the next year. So my goal is 1 year from now, I want to look back and say, okay, I definitely want to complete this by 2022. So I'm going to put 12/12/2022. And that's how you can get started with organizing your life. It doesn't have to be what I put, but it's what is important to you. So if this has helped you today, comment down below. I'll have more videos on the Get My Life Organized Planner, Plan Your Day. We'll go over the sheets, and don't forget to comment, subscribe if you like this, and like helps to make this available to more people who may be needing assistance with getting some things together in their life, or may need the help and guidance on how to start. So again, thank you so much for watching. It's been a long time since I've been on here, but I'm excited to be back. I want to share all the things that I've learned. If you're interested in getting the Get My Life Organized Planner, Plan My Day actually series, it is on my Etsy shop, and I will link that down below. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed evening.